that white wine that I never got to sip. And dinner wasn't ruined cause you never got the pick. I know that everybody told me that I'm sick cause
Hi, loves. Good evening. Today is Monday. Welcome to this week's vlog. If you're new here, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And if you already subscribe, welcome back, my loves. Today is Monday, and we are starting this week's vlog. Today, I just got back from work. I did an afternoon shift. I was like, let me just start the vlog today because I'm going to be busy tomorrow and I'll not be able to really vlog for you guys. So we are starting with the haul. I told you guys last week, and if you've not watched the previous vlog, I think you should. I told you guys that I'm going to be doing a haul today because I washed the outfits in the last week vlog and it was not dried. So we're going to be doing the haul. The first item on the list is this cute robe that I'm putting on. Um I've not actually owned any robe, have I? No, I've not really owned any robe. And I saw this, and my cousin was like, "It's so fine," because we saw different colors. And this polka dot one, my cousin says fine, is the finest there. So I had to take it. I'm going to start with a basic top. The second day I went, I didn't have any other outfit to wear, so I had to buy a top, just a simple basic top with tropics number 14 on it, nothing much. Guys, these outfits were so affordable. The next on the list is this silk top. Is a silk backless top. It's a very popular top. I've actually been wanting to buy this top since, but I realized that on the street of Instagram and social media it's so expensive. I've not even worn it. It's still with the tag. um I saw it like half of the price there and I got it for myself. The next I got is this cute jot. I have a pants in this color, but a long one I got from Shein. But this one is a Zara short, and I love that. This is going to be my first jot. I don't have any jots, so I decided to buy it, and I decided to buy it in this new color. I have the opportunity. I'm going to buy it in other colors like black and brown, and I bought it in extra large because one in is somewhere that I didn't have the opportunity to like test the outfit, so I just bought it and I decided to buy it in extra large because worst come to worst, if it's too big, I'm going to tailor it. It's better than buying something that is small, then I'll end up giving it out. The next I bought is a denim trouser. Guys, I love this wash of this trouser. I've been liking this wash lately. Um, last week's vlog, I think last week's vlog or the two vlogs behind, I got a denim skirt, a maxi denim skirt in this wash. I've been loving this wash lately, and I love the fitting of this trouser. And there's a trick I actually know, and many people used to think that it does not work. Like if you go to a place that you probably will not be able to fit the trouser, like wear it, you take the denim trouser, the waist, put it around your neck. If it touches each other, just know that it's going to be exactly your size. But if it does not, if there's a little bit gap, just know it's going to be exactly your size. That's too fitted or even too tight. The next I got is this two piece. Is a long sleeve linen material. God, I've been wanting a linen material for so long, and I saw this one. I wanted to buy the one that is just plain white, but they didn't. Thank God they did not even have it because I think I prefer this one to the one I just plain white because this looks so unique. I got this I've forgotten the dupe. Who even have the original of this? Is it Cartier that has it? I think it's Cartier that has it. I had one before. Yeah, it's Cartier. I think it's written here. I have one before, but it broke. Affordable, so I bought it. So let me get to the last item. I think the last item is a basic top. The last outfit I bought is this tank top. I actually bought this thing together with the two piece. I know I have so many tank tops, but I don't have any one in this. What's it called? I've forgotten the name it is called. This particular neckline. And the different thing about this one comes with a built-in bra. If you're a girl, you know how difficult it is trying to wear a tank top and a bralette inside. It's always so discomforting. And when I said, "Oh, like, okay, let me just get it," I wore it together with this, I opened up the button, like I wore it inside. This actually comes with a long pant. Let me bring it up so you guys can see. It comes with a long pant. Yeah, so that's the end of our outfit haul. The next thing I want to show you guys is, if you watch my previous vlog, I got a wig. I got a wig specifically for work because I don't want to be wearing my 5x5 frontal wig to hospital. It's not that serious. So I said, let me buy a 8 inches bulb, and that's what I got. That's what I went to pick up in the last week's vlog. So let me show you guys. So this is it, and I love it. I now have like up to 4 bulbs. But the funny thing about having bulbs, you can never go wrong with having bulb. Bulb is a very, if you want to look classy, you wear a bulb. If you want to look serious, you wear a bulb. If you want to look chill, like, oh, you're not doing too much, is a bulb. So I have the bulb 2x6. I have a fringe in orange color. I have a fringe in black color, and I have 5x5. Okay, I think that's enough bulb for my collection. I'm not buying any other bulb. The next thing I'm going to be buying is probably a coily hair or a bouncy hair. So guys, we've come to the end of this haul. I'm about to go and prepare dinner. Is it dinner? Yeah, dinner. I want to eat potato and egg, and it's been a while. So let's fry some potato. Hope you guys are doing great. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And we're on our way to 500 subscribers. So share to your friends, share to people that watch vlog. Don't share to people that does not watch vlog. Share to people that watch vlog, and I'll see you when we are cooking. I couldn't find bottle of the type of oil I normally use, so I decided to buy Golden Terra. My mom have told me about this oil, so I'm gonna be using it. Okay. We're going to be having potato and egg. Something I don't like about this, whatever they call it, rubber, plastic, whatever. See, the oil is literally dissolving, dissolving the this thing. I had to switch. I'll go back to my wooden spoon. I don't know why I'm using this when I actually have. Why did I use this when I actually have this? Like, do you get, like, they are literally for same thing? I think this one I'm not supposed to be using this in the hot oil or something like that. I love me fresh pepper, pinch of salt, pinch. This is more than a pinch. Not for people that don't like onion will not like my egg. I love my egg having a lot of onion. Why is my food looking like I burnt them? Please, I don't burn my food like this. So. Okay. Join me. Ready to eat.
Issues. I feel like I'm too much when I'm without, I mean, with glasses because already.
Good morning. Today is Tuesday, and it's almost 12. I'm getting ready for work. There's somewhere I have to go to. That was why I'm actually going this early. Normally I'm supposed to be going around 1 because afternoon shift starts by 1:30, and I'm going to be doing afternoon shift throughout this week. But I realized I've not actually gotten ready for work on my YouTube vlog. So we are going to get ready. I just finished taking my bath. I'm still with my shower cap self. My normal bonnet is under, and my outfit is already laid on the bed. So get ready with me for work. No, I don't use much for my skincare. I just use um a retinol. I normally use retinol at night. I don't really use it during the day. Sunscreen, sincerely, I'm not a fan of sunscreen. Then this vitamin C, because I can't use vitamin C serum because it breaks me out. So I bought the lotion instead. And this essence serum. That's all I actually use for skincare. Nothing much. I just realized something about skincare. You don't have to do too much. Just use the right water, the right face wash, and you're good to go. want to create content. I want to create a get ready with me for work for TikTok. Normally, I don't normally wear my scrub from home, but I just want to do get ready with me like I actually do wear my scrub from home. So I think let's do that. So behind the scene, I'm wearing this basic top and this jot I showed you guys yesterday, and just my hems flats, nothing much. Then my one and only tote bag, not like my one and only, but like you get the reference. God, my lips is so dry. I need a Nivea lip balm because Nivea lip balm helps with sun damage. I don't know if you guys know that the sun actually damages like your lips. Like if you notice that your lips is getting a little bit darker, you need to buy a lip gloss that has SPF, and Nivea has the perfect lip gloss for that. The one I had has finished. I'm thinking of buying another one. I think when I go to Roban store, I'm going to buy another one. So I don't know, should I leave my hair out today or I should pack it? Because I normally used to like pack it up. I think I'm going to leave it out today. I'm feeling like leaving it out. So yeah, let's create short form content. Fingers crossed it comes out well. Because if it does not come out well, you guys won't see it. And if it does, you guys are going to see it on TikTok. My TikTok handle is Puto Patrick. So check that out and follow. Yeah, let's create content. Here is going to be my backdrop for my content, because all my fashion content, this is my backdrop because this is the best position that can make the camera to go further. You can see my full length. Let's try and create short form content. Now, scrub of the day, I'm going to be wearing a long. Can you guys see me? Guys, we just finished. We are not actually done. We are doing a HSD procedure, and they are currently on radiation, and I don't have that radiation gown, so I'm out here waiting for them, so that when the patient is done, when they are done with the patient, I can now like clean up the patient, give the patient advice or whatever advice. So yeah, guys, I was not actually feeling fine yesterday, but I'm better. I feel better. Yeah, life of a nurse. Hi loves, good morning. Today is Thursday and we're going to be ending the vlog today. But I just came to talk. I'm actually filming with the front camera. I don't know how good or bad the camera quality is. And I think I've never actually filmed in this angle. I think I should be doing this angle. But I'm so tired. I've been so stressed. Like working in healthcare is not easy. God, ugh, your whole I don't even know. Okay, although this word did not like traumatize me the way children emergency did, but like it's not easy, guys. God, is fucking hard. But like just when you start getting used to it, you'll be fine. I'm going to just prepare breakfast. God, I need to be going out. I just feel like I've been stuck inside house. My only routine is from here to the hospital. I'm back here to the mall. I'm back here. The mall is for shopping. It's not like I'm going to go and do solo dates. But I really, really, I said by this by August, I'm going to really be settled in and start exploring the state, because before you know it, now this whole program is going to be over and I did not even go anywhere in this state. So I will once I feel like I have so many activities going on this month, so I won't really say I'll do anything this month. Probably September. And is this front camera? I know the lighting is not that great because most of my lighting comes from the bigger window there. This is actually the small window, and it's just 7 a.m. So the lighting is not that great. But I think sometimes I'm going to be filming with the front camera because it's not actually easy filming with the back camera, because you will not be seeing yourself, and there's this flow when you can actually see yourself when you're talking or when you're doing an activity. So sometimes I'm going to be switching, even though the quality is not going to be great sometimes, but you guys will bear with me. So thank you so much for watching this week's vlog. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next vlog. Bye.